Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Teams and joining the call. This lets you access live camera controls immediately. Once in the pre-join screen, click the camera preview or the device settings gear to reveal background options. You do this because Teams needs the video stream to analyze foreground subject edges before applying blur. It creates a mask between you and the background. Make sure your face is well lit and centered so the algorithm can detect you accurately and apply a clean blur. Once you see the background effects pane, select the blur preset to soften the scene behind you without replacing it. You can preview the effect to confirm edges are crisp. If they are jagged, slightly adjust your distance from the camera and improve lighting. Make sure to click Apply or Turn on Video to commit changes, because otherwise the preview won't affect the live stream. If you prefer a stronger effect, repeat and reapply. Teams remembers your last choice for future calls. To finalize, during the meeting open more actions, pick Show Background Effects, then choose Blur and hit Apply. Your blur goes live immediately. If the blur doesn't work, stop and restart your camera or exit and relaunch Teams, because transient video drivers or permissions sometimes block the feature. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled and your Teams app is up to date, as older versions lack improved segmentation. If problems persist, switch to the web client or try another camera to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.